Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to target location on Facebook ads. All right, let's begin. First, open Meta Ads Manager and log into your Facebook account. You'll see your campaigns on the dashboard. You can either choose an existing campaign or create a new one by clicking the green Create button. Then, select your campaign objective, like traffic, engagement, or conversions, and click Continue. This takes you to the ad set level. Next, scroll down to the Audience section. Here, define who will see your ad. Select your source audience, such as custom or lookalike audiences. You can also adjust age and gender, but for this video, the focus is on location. Click the Edit button next to Locations. Facebook offers 4 targeting options: people living in the location, recently in the location, traveling in the location, or living in or recently in the location. Choose based on your business type. For local services, target people living in the location. For travel-based businesses, select the traveling option. Now, choose specific locations. You can target countries, regions, cities, zip codes, or business addresses. In the US, you can also target by DMA, designated market area. You can type a location into the search bar and pick from the suggestions, or use the drop pin feature to set a radius around a specific point on the map. So that's basically how you can target location on Facebook ads. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.